Hi friends, it's Becky, and it is time to open up my June 2025 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition. This is a monthly bead subscription that comes with a bunch of different beads, check glass beads, some two-hole beads, often there'll be some seed beads involved, some gemstones even, and some findings, usually some focals, things that you can use to use your creativity and create a jewelry design of your own with. Very often in this box, we'll also get some stringing material. It happens very often. We may also find a tool in here, useful tools that you can get with it. So it's not just beads, it's other things too that you get in this box. And the box itself, I use this box all the time for other things. Like I keep my thread in here, I'll keep some of my findings. I store art supplies, like it's the perfect size for markers and fine liners. It's a decent box actually. I have covered it up and used it as a gift box because it's just a really handy little thing with the little magnetic closure. So for the June 2025 Potomac Beads treasure box, we have Sunny Solstice as our theme. Welcome to the summer solstice box, where the warmth of sunrise inspires every bead and charm inside. Let these radiant hues of gold, coral, and blush spark your creativity as you craft pieces that glow with the energy of the season. Your designs shine as brightly as the longest day of the year. Oh, that's lovely. And then we've got a little list over here on the back of it. And let's pull these out and see what we've got. We've got lots of fun check glass beads, some two-hole beads, some findings, just like I said. Oh, these are pretty. More check glass. There's a lot of check glass in here. These are really cool two-hole beads. This clear champagne gem duos. Those are really pretty. And then we've got some Hawaiian flowers. We've got some little metal melon beads. Some drops. Some clear disco ball beads. We're going to take a closer look at these as I open up each of these packages and get them organized into my 15 grid organizer, because as much as I love this Potomac Beads box, if I leave these beads in there, oh look, we got crystal, guys. 14mm Rivoli. That is a beautiful color of Rivoli. And we got some Potomac pearls and an entire organizer with 12 different colors of these Azuki seed beads. How fun is that? And some beading needles. So there's our tool and our extras. We'll take a look at those in just a minute. But yeah, as much as I love those boxes, if I keep it in the box, I'll never use it. So I like to get them organized here so that I can see everything and use it. And oh my goodness, y'all, like just these two colors of seed beads here, those would be so perfect with just these. That was a good choice on those seed beads. And I got one of these before in one of my other boxes, and it was just that one box that that one of the little sections, the lid didn't close all the way, and so things got mixed around. But obviously that didn't happen with this one, so that was just a fluke for that to happen to that one that I got. Everything else seems like it is happening just fine. So let's just open these up one at a time, take a look at them up close, and then get them organized in here. So the first thing I'm going to look at is this Rivoli. I love sparkle, and one of the best ways to add some sparkle is some faceted crystal. So this is the Potomac crystal, and this is Fractal Galaxy. Love, love, love. Let's stick that guy in there. And let's get these pearls put in there. This is rose gold, 4mm. We've got a pack of 50. Mostly beautiful. The Potomac pearls are high quality pearls. They're not, you know, natural pearls. They are man-made, but they are very good pearls. The finish on them, the coating, it does not wear away very easily. And I have never had a problem with the holes getting clogged up or bits of it flaking off or anything like that. So they are definitely good quality pearls to use in your jewelry making. In fact, I have purchased them several times just on their own to be able to add to things. And then we've got these check glass yarn balls, pack of 7. These guys call it the yarn ball, but I always think of brains when I look at these. They are really fun little beads. They add a lot of texture to what you're looking at. Then we've got some more crystal. These are Amethyst 4mm rounds. There's 50 of these guys in here. Let's get them on my ladybug dish. So it's a little bit darker tones, but we still get some sparkle. These oval beads. This is mauve. Got a pack of 4, and it looks like it's mauveless. Looks like we've got like a rose gold finish on this. It's really pretty. Ooh, rose gold findings. Maybe I should use some of those with this. Next, we've got more crystal. These are the 6mm crystal discos. Let's get up close. And the reason it's called a disco is because it's got all of these facets all around. Ugh, love that. Let's put them up there. There we go, we're getting situated. We've got some textured drop beads. They are copper. There's 10 of these. Oof. These are some flat drops. I leave some of them up and some of them down. Makes me think of orange skin. And they are drilled side to side through the top, right there. I don't know if I'm going to need roommates or not. Probably not. We'll see. All right, and then we've got some spacers. These are Corrugated Melon 4mm gunmetal plating. There are 50 of these as well. Where are you going, buddy? Yeah, let's put you next to it. It feels like I've got a whole bunch of rolled up pill bugs, or potato bugs, if that's what you called them. That's not necessarily a bad thing. I always thought they were super cute. All right, then we've got our Hawaiian flower beads. There's 6 of these. Looks like we've got a silver wash on these. And it looks like the glass is a mix of this red color and then clearer, so you get some variation in color. Some of them are darker red, some of them are closer to pink. That's pretty cool. And then we've got our gem duo beads. Again, these are crystal champagne. There are 35 in here. Oof. And you should be able to see the holes on these beads. Let me just pull this out so we can get this a little bit closer, and so you can see more clearly how the holes run on these 2-hole beads. Are they not just the most perfect, lightest, softest champagne-y color? I love that. I like getting 2-hole beads in this subscription because then that gives me some more fun beads to play with, because it is a lot of fun to play with 2-hole beads. All right, then we've got some tulip beads. These are, looks like a shimmery iridescent opal. There are 10 of them. These are check glass tulip beads. Gotta hold down the front and to the center. They are super, super sweet. Oop, and then we've got some olive branches. They are 13 by 20 millimeter and they are 24 karat gold. It looks like they are the same on both sides, so you could put them so that they face in opposite directions in an earring or something like that. I'm going to put them in here. Whoop. Here we go. We've got them last 3. A whole bunch of these check glass bicone beads. They're 6 millimeters in size. I love this shape of bicone. And these clear white ones. There are tons of them in here. I'm not going to put all of them on my little dish. There we go. But I'm going to bring a few of them up here for this shape. There's quite a bit of that one. Then we've got some tubulets. This is Aztec gold. There are 95 of these. And they're just these long cylinder beads that have rounded edges. All right. And last but not least, we've got some more 2-hole beads. These are round duo beads. They're 5 millimeters in size. And it looks like we've got a vintage copper color. That is fantastic because it is just right in here with all of these other colors. Maybe I want, no, I'm gonna put it over here. But let me stick these guys on this little wire so you can look at the way that these holes go. You just go right through these round beads. It's like a drook, but it's got holes in it. 2 holes. They're a really fun 2-hole bead to be able to do some bead weaving designs with. Just getting everything all in there. I enjoy it. And luckily they gave us some packet of needles, all you need now. Since we've got the seed beads, we've got the 2-hole beads, and we've got the needles, all you need is some beading thread in order to be able to start doing some bead weaving designs. If you wanted to give that a try. It's not as scary as it sounds. They do sell beading thread at Potomac Beads as well. I actually quite enjoy using their dragon thread. They also sell other beading threads at their site. All right. So Sunny Solstice, let's bring this guy right here front and center so you can see what we've got. Potomac Beads. I'm going to put a link in the description to the site where you can check out the bead subscription, see see if that is something that suits your fancy. There's also a kit subscription that I enjoy getting, and I do a lot. I love coming up with my own designs and being creative like that, but I also really love being able to make something without having to think about what I'm making. I can just let go and follow somebody else's pattern and do all of that. This was one that I made from the May kit subscription. It came with all of these beads. It came with a pattern that I could follow. It came with a clasp. It also came with beading thread and needles. So this was another one from the May box. I haven't got my June box yet, so I don't know what the patterns will be for that one, but I imagine that they'll be just as nice and just as much fun to work with. All right, let me wrap things up and just say until next time, happy beading.